I want you to think about the last customer that you helped. Are they going to remember you next week or next month? Well, sadly, probably not. Most customers forget about a business just days after interacting with them. But what if you could change that with just a few simple steps? I mean, it's frustrating, right? You work hard to get a customer, serve them well, and then they just disappear. This happens because our brains are wired to forget things quickly if we don't see them often. And people naturally forget what they learn or experience very fast. So if someone visits your website once or buys from you months ago, chances are you're fading from their memory. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to beat the forgetting curve and stay top of mind, turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. Okay, let's quickly look at why customers forget. I mean, think about it. How many ads did you see yesterday? How many emails did you get? We're constantly bombarded by stuff, and your business is competing with all that noise. If a customer interacts with you once, then hears nothing, you get lost in the shuffle. It's not personal, it's just how memory works. But here's the good news. Just like remembering something for a test, you can help customers remember you by showing up regularly. You don't need complex tricks, just simple, consistent reminders. And I'll show you exactly how. Okay, let's dive into the first simple technique. Many business owners only contact customers when they want to sell something. This feels pushy and people tune it out. To get over this, you can start sending out regular emails that help people. Maybe a useful tip or a quick insight or a helpful resource related to your interests. Those people are going to start looking forward to it. And that's the power of a value-focused email newsletter. I recommend sending regular email newsletters focused on value and not just sales. Share helpful tips, answer common questions, and link to useful resources. A good rule of thumb for this is to aim for 80% value and 20% promotion. Just keep it simple and consistent, maybe once a week or every 2 weeks. This regular contact keeps you front of mind without being annoying. It reminds them that you exist and that you're helpful. Just think about this. Whose emails do you actually open? Okay, let's get into the next tactic. After a customer buys, the interaction often just ends. Feels like another transaction easily forgotten. But what if you surprise them afterwards? A good way to do this is a simple, genuine thank you. It can make a huge difference in how they remember you. This small effort makes customers feel appreciated and makes your business stand out. And it doesn't have to be a handwritten note. It could be a small discount on the next purchase or a quick personalized thank you email or even a small donation to charity in their name. Just find something that fits your business and what your customers would like. I mean, could a small thank you make your customers feel special? Okay, next up, this might be the most powerful method of all. Customers only think of you when they need your specific product or service right now. If they don't need it, you don't exist to them. But what if customers thought of you as a helpful expert before they even needed to buy? When you consistently share useful information, you become their go-to resource. So I always recommend to consistently create content that helps your audience solve their problems and don't just sell, serve them. You can do this by thinking about all the problems that your customers face that relate to your business. Like, how can you help them? Here's a few ways you can do this. You could write short blog posts with tips or create a simple how-to videos like this one, share quick tips on social media, or answer common questions. Then when you're known for being helpful, guess who they're going to think of first when they're ready to buy? You. And it's because you've already built trust and shown your expertise. Okay, so that's 3 simple ways to fight the forgetting curve and stay memorable. And we could call this the front of mind framework. And the nice thing about this is we can break it down into 3 simple steps. 1 is to just connect consistently with those value emails. 2 is say thank you in a memorable way. And 3, help consistently by creating useful content. And you don't have to do all 3 at once. Just one simple change can make a huge difference. So pick one of these methods that you could start this week. And I know running a business is busy, so start small. One step is better than none. So which one will it be? Will you draft your first helpful newsletter, plan a simple thank you gesture, or brainstorm one piece of helpful content? If you want more practical tips like these to grow your small business using simple online systems, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. My goal is to give you videos that are focused on actionable strategies with no fluff. But I do have a question for you. Which one of these 3 methods, emails, thank yous, or helpful content, are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plan. And just remember, customers forget fast, but now you have simple tools to stay memorable. Staying front of mind isn't about complex marketing. It's about consistent, helpful connections and showing up. It's a lot cheaper to keep a customer than find a new one. So what's one small step you can take today to become more memorable to your customers?